Hello friends, today I would like to share how to create a invitation or greeting card from mobile by using Canva in totally free. Okay, let's begin. First we go to canva.com. This is Canva software. Click here. Okay, this is Canva. Go to template. Okay, then click card. Okay, there are huge template. Some are paid and some are free. You can choose from here. So I would like to choose this. Okay, you can edit the text. Double click here and clear www.google.com. Okay, for attending. Okay, you can adjust the transparency and select the color and change the color. You can also change the color. Okay, so okay, you can change the text style like font style, font size, color, format, spacing, effect, transparency, and many other. Okay, so here click on replace and then click background. You can remove your background just from here. Okay, and you can also upload your photos for background. Okay, so after here. Okay, you can now change or replace from photo to animation. Click on animate, then click. Okay, this is okay. Now play and look this. This is your invitation card. Now you can click here to download. Suggest MP4 video. Okay, click on download. So the design is okay. Play and look this. Okay, thank you very much.